Samsung September security surge. What you need to know. Here's the catch. While most users expect flashy new features with software updates, Samsung's latest rollout for September 2025 is refreshingly low-key, yet critically important for device security. But here's where it gets controversial. Are security patches alone enough to keep users satisfied, or should we expect more from a tech giant like Samsung? Let's break it down. The Galaxy S23 series is currently leading the charge with updates, though the full rollout will likely expand to more devices in the coming days. If you own an S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra, or S23 FE, your phone is now receiving the September 2025 security patch. The versions? Here they are. Galaxy S23, S911 USQS6 DYI3. Galaxy S23 Plus, S916 USQS6 DYI3. Galaxy S23 Ultra, S918 USQS6 DYI3. Galaxy S23 FE, S711 USQS6 DYH2. And it's not just smartphones. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 family also got a mid-month update. The 40mm and 44mm models received R935 USQS1BYH1 and R945 USQS1BYH1, respectively, while the classic variants, 43mm and 47mm, now run on R955 USQS1BYH1 and R965 USQS1BYH1. These patches likely address bugs and vulnerabilities, though specifics aren't always shared with the public. How to check for updates. Head to Settings, System Updates, check for system updates if your device is eligible. Tap Download Now and follow the prompts. It's a simple process, but one that's vital for keeping your data safe. After all, security flaws can leave your personal information exposed, something no one wants. Now, here's the part most people miss. Samsung's updates aren't always about new features. This September, they're focusing on stability and security, which is arguably more. Are you happy with the updates? Or do you think Samsung should push more exciting additions alongside security fixes? Let's start a conversation.